Put it in the brick and do like this.
Put the chain on too.
You gotta say Punchmade.
Punchmade. Get the Benjamins going.
That's how much Cash App is worth. $138 billion. Why in the world would y'all really believe there's a Cash App glitch? Look what happens when you click it. Hey, here you go. You pay $80 to the Fruit Punch Man, and you get a Cash App login with $3,000 to $5,000 balance. This is what I found right here. This is what I found. Okay, what is this? After seeing Punchmade Dev go viral on YouTube, I had to investigate the situation. I had to figure out what's really going on because this is just ridiculous, all right? And what I figured out is this dude, Punchmade Dev, he is not no swiper. He is a scammer. He's exactly what he told y'all. He's a scam artist. And he's scamming all of y'all, okay? Basically, if y'all don't know, he's just like a rapper that claims that he can help people figure out the Cash App glitch. You send him $200 in Bitcoin. You send him $300 in Bitcoin. Send him $500 in Bitcoin or whatever it is, however much he's able to get out of you, okay? And he's gonna teach you the Cash App glitch, all right? You send him $300, $500, and he's gonna show you how to get $14,000 up out of the Cash App glitch. All right, I'm not gonna try and waste y'all time. I'm gonna try and make this as quick as possible. What is wrong with y'all? All right, do a little thinking. Put your thinking cap on. Pay attention. Look at this right here. How much is the company Cash App worth? Cash App's valuation has increased significantly from $40 billion in 2020 to $138 billion in 2022. Okay, so mind y'all, obviously it's 2023 now, so I'm sure it's more than that, but we'll go with the $138 billion. Okay, that's how much Cash App is worth. $138 billion. Why in the world would y'all really believe there's a Cash App glitch? Do you know how many developers are working on this app? Do you know how many engineers are working full-time for this app, for this company? Y'all think there's a Cash App glitch? And you think some Fruit Punch Man walking around with ski mask goggles and masked up at the Chase Bank, he figured it out? He figured it out? Y'all are kidding me, right? Y'all are really sending this man money, the Fruit Punch Man, and he's gonna send you $14,000, or he's gonna send you a hacked Cash App account or whatever it is. If y'all go to Reddit, you'll see a couple different threads or whatever. And one of the threads I found, there's some people with some common sense. He's telling people old sauce. He gotta be an informant. He's not a fraud. Y'all are just a method, you know? You're calling a scam rapper a fraud for scamming listeners. Sound like he's authentic to me. Exactly. You know, these are people that use their head, they use their brain, and they obviously understand what the scam is. You're the scam. You're against scam. Okay? You're calling a scammer a fraud. Just think about that for a minute. I mean, really, think about that. Then you go to another thread. Man, it's ridiculous. Can I see the proof? Are you sure it's a scam? I was thinking about buying it. It's a scam. Got scammed for $300 Bitcoin for Cash App loadable. And then you see this guy, he says $300. That's messed up. Sorry that happened to you. Thanks for the heads up. Sorry that happened to you, man. That's so messed up that you paid some scammer $300 and he didn't send you that hacked bank account. He didn't send you that hacked Cash App account. He didn't send you the unlimited money glitch. What's wrong with him? What's wrong with you? You kidding me? What's wrong with you? Look at this. Got took for a smooth 550. Let my L be your lesson. Really? You think we need a lesson? We gotta have a brain at least. If you even have a quarter of a brain, you would know better. What are y'all trying to do? Why are y'all trying to buy hacked Cash App accounts? Okay? And look, he goes on, I'm doing it on my own now. I'm investing myself. I'm going to help out hella mubs when I get locked in. Okay. All right. Thank you. Thank you for when you get locked in, you're going to help us out. You're going to help us figure out that unlimited money glitch on Cash App. Okay. The company that's worth $138 billion. They got the unlimited money glitch. Okay. And the Fruit Punch Man, he knows what's up. He's monetizing it every which way too. Not only does he have the YouTube where he's making those terrible scam raps, it's absolutely horrible. I heard one little clip of it, I couldn't listen to nothing else. Look, he's doing story promos now. I'm doing story promos for y'all, only $50. You know, so if y'all got a scam, y'all can send him your scam. He can promote it for you for $50. Not bad, right? Now, I went on Google and I typed in Punchmade Dev website, and this is what pops up. He got like his little YouTube video, then he got this little picture right here with all the racks on the table. He got the iPhone box, and it says click to learn. And when I click that, it sends me to the Telegram. Okay, so here's his little shop. So I copied that, and I went over to his little shop, and this is what I found right here. This is what I found. This is how y'all are getting scammed. It's unbelievable, y'all. Okay, what is this? Cash App FA OTP bot, two-factor verification bypass. So you could buy the bot and you can get past all the verification steps, huh? And then you just buy these hacked Cash App accounts. Look what happens when you click it. Hey, here you go. You pay $80 to the Fruit Punch Man, and you get a Cash App login with $3,000 to $5,000 balance, a 1-month warranty, and you get his full support on Discord and Telegram if there's any problems, if anything goes wrong with that hacked account. Bank of America. Let's see how $100 we can buy a Bank of America login with $4,000 to $6,000 balance for only $100. And this is just so sad that people are really falling for this. Like, this dude really went on Shopify and set up this little cute website with little sparkles in the back. Look, y'all, it's got sparkles in the back. He's got every damn bank across America. Chime, Wells Fargo, Chase, Visa, MasterCard, whatever y'all want. You pay the Fruit Punch Man, and he gonna send you the money. Unlimited money. And then, if that's not it, he got a whole nother shop. Okay, if you couldn't find what you were looking for on this one, you can go on over to the second shop. Okay? And go get you some more hacked accounts. Look at $200 for some bots. And that'll get you who knows what. Well, I know what it'll get you. It'll get you nothing. Okay, absolutely nothing. Y'all are gonna send this money and y'all ain't gonna get nothing. Absolutely nothing. PayPal. What do you get for PayPal? Oh, look at that. You get $6,000 to $8,000 balance for PayPal. Now, why on earth wouldn't this dude just cash out the $6,000 to $8,000 if it's that easy? Huh? Why is he gonna take $70 and give y'all $6,000 to $8,000? Answer that. You guys gotta be smarter than that, okay? Look at this. NordVPN, YouTube accounts. There you go. You can buy a YouTube verified account with 80,000 subscribers for $150. He's a one-stop shop. Whatever fraud you want to do, you come to the Fruit Punch Man, okay? And he'll take care of you. You want PayPal, you want Visa, MasterCard, Cash App, Chase, it don't matter. He's got it. He's got them all. And they all in stock. Look, he even got reviews. He even got reviews. This guy gives him a thumbs up because he bought a trust wallet. It's a crypto wallet. Poor support and no guide, and account doesn't even work. but I'm gonna give him a thumbs up. Thank you, Fruit Punch Man. I appreciate that. Okay, here's a fake review that he probably had his little buddy make. Go on there and give me a review. Oh my god, it worked. You gotta buy this product. It's insane. I bet it is. Okay, I bet it's amazing. It's amazing. It's amazing. All logins are fake. Dude is a kitty cat, and he's all hopped up on coke. Will keep spamming you, calling you broke if you don't buy his bot. It's also fake. Okay, you got scammed, bro, by a scammer, and you didn't pay attention and realize how obvious the scam was. Logins don't work. Nothing on this site is gonna work. Don't y'all get it? He literally just opened up a site with a picture of Instagram. Okay, he opened up a Shopify site and put a bunch of logos of different banks all across America. Okay, he's selling y'all nothing. Y'all really think you could just do this? You don't need the dark web. The Fruit Punch Man got a Shopify store where you can buy Cash App, Visa, MasterCard, everything unlocked. All these hacked accounts. Yeah, okay. Alright, Cash App don't know about it. The feds don't know about it. Nobody knows about it. But it's all over YouTube. Come on, man. Y'all are lost. And I hope y'all find y'all way. Subscribe to the channel, man. Web TV.